two ways to work with text inside Keynote. The first way is to actually add text inside a shape, and that's very easy. You add a shape. Let's say you change the color of the shape to blue, and if you want to add a text inside a shape, you simply double click and start typing. And as you can see, that text was added. You can increase or decrease the size of the text. So because this shape is selected, the text menu here changes the properties of text. So you can make the text yellow, for example, and you can make it bold, and you can increase the size to 36. The other way to add text is to add it from the text menu, which is clicking from the toolbar. It's clicking on text here and then start typing inside the text box. And similarly, you can select this text box and you can change the properties. You can get a different font and you can make it underline and so on. You can change the color. And the rest of the text properties are straightforward. This is the alignment. This is direction of typing. This is whether it's so if you can align left, middle, right, or justified. You can type from the left or from the right. This is for indentation of paragraphs, so you can indent left and indent right if you have multiple lines. This is whether the text inside the shape is aligned to the top, middle of the button, or the bottom of the button. And here's the spacing between multiple lines, and here's the spacing before and after paragraph. Most of the time I don't use this group of properties. For lists and stuff, you can, if you have a web page that has bullet points, you can use the lettered or numbered and so on. But finally, most of the text properties you will be using here are the font, the style of the font, the size, and the color.